Usually, we are going to present our STEM project that is called Pacman. This is a kind of game of Pacman, but the difference is that we imply the topics of non-specific and specific defenses. The subtopics of this topic are first and second line of defenses, human immunity, self-mediated immunity, and acquired immunity.
The main purpose of this project is the person who is playing this video game knows what is happening inside our body when a pathogen attacks our body.
The non-specific and the specific. The non-specific responses is activated when the antigen enters into the human body. These defenses are not specific, so doesn't have memory. It means that always respond in the same way despite the antigen. The same intensity and the same. In the non-specific defenses exist two lines, the first and the second one. In the first, we can find the skin, mucus, and saliva, and tears that protects our body despite the antigen. In the second line, we can find the fever, homeostasis, and itch that protect us despite the antibody.
One part of the immunity response, which depends on the action of macrophages and several types of T cells, is called cell-mediated immunity. When a cell is infected by a pathogen, or when a phagocytes consume a pathogen, the cell displays a portion of the antigen in the outer surface of this membrane. Helper T cells divide into more helper T cells, which go on to activate B cells, activate cytotoxic T cells, and produce memory T cells. Cytotoxic T cells hunt down body cells infected with a particular antigen and kill the cells. They kill infected cells. Memory helper T cells enable the immune system to respond quickly if the same pathogen enters the body again. Another type of T cells called suppressor T cells that inhibit the immune response once an infection is under control.
Acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is not present at birth. As a person's immune system encounters foreign substance, the components of the immune system learn the best way to attack each antigen and develop a memory to each antigen. The white blood cells responsible for lymphocytes, T cells, and B cells. A special feature for acquired immunity. Also, acquired immunity of our body has some really impressive unique features. There are specific. Our body has the ability to recognize the different various pathogens. Diversity. It has a huge variety for microorganisms, from photos to advanced viruses. Discrimination between ourselves and non-self. Memory. Our immune system remembers every immunological encounter in our body.
Is everywhere, and the human immune system is not exception. It presents in direct way in the enzymes and proteins. The antibodies are completely proteins. In addition, the chemistry is present in three principal diseases: immunodeficiency, autoimmunity, and hypersensitivity, because they are genetic humoral variation of the bone marrow.
To do this project possible, we need to have at least one program to create video games, so we can use a Windows program called Visual 2010 or another especially for video games. The last one is called Unity. In this case, we're going to use Unity. After that we obtain Unity to create the game that we want to create, we have to desincrease on a paper sheet the kind of game that we want to create. In this case, is a kind of Pacman, something like a draft of the game. Then that we have the draft of the game, we need to establish the criteria of the game, all the rules that the game will have, the graphs, the score criteria, and the measures that the game will show after you complete an action. Now that we have these three things, we can start to join all of the components into the program that we already downloaded. This with the objective of start to create the video game. Finally, that we have the video game, we want to start to promote it and inform to other people about the advantages of this game that will persuade to the people to take care about their defense.
STEM project, more people can learn about this topic that is difficult to learn.
In my opinion, this STEM is an innovative project because through a video game, the children can learn.
My opinion with our STEM project is an innovative way to learn about the human system and have fun in the same time.
This game is going to help the child because in nowadays a lot of child use the video games, so we use this method to learn the child.
With this project, we make more people interested in this subject that is something complicated to understand.
Time is ticking for the empire. The truth they feed is feeble, as so many times before. The greed of other people.